lunar eclipse, September 7, 2025. Time 8:30 in the evening. Location Saudi Arabia. Lunar eclipse to the heart. A lunar eclipse to the heart. We are witnessing the lunar eclipse, September 7, 2025. Location Saudi Arabia. Umusok. Parang umusok ko na pag nakapokus. Fokus kunti. Doon sa actual, malapit na uubos yung puti, yung moon, matakpan ng moon. Dito sa video, malaki pa rin. Last zoom na yun. Parang umuusok ko. Doon sa actual, malapit na matakpan yung kwan, yung moon. Dito sa video malaki pa rin yung puti ng moon. Parang umuusok. Lunar eclipse to the heart. Lunar eclipse to the heart. Sa kwan, sa Cebuano, Bacunawa. Sa Ilonggo ba't lang, sa Tagalog iwan ko lang. Skraya ambay ambot lang, ano na yung tawag ni Bacunawa na eh, tawag sini sa kanan Tagalog. Takip silim, ano? Takip silim paggabi na. Guys, hindi gid siya maubos guys. Pertigid. Paano mo na nalalaman na Ilonggo ako? Sobra mong judgmental. Don't judge the book by its cover. Tinunto sa'yo yan. Nadula na doon sa kwan oh. Kapit naman, dula ang puti sa dito sa kwan. Gaway ko lang. Lunar eclipse.
Completely, yeah, now?
Yeah, and little. Yeah. Little bit. Yeah. This 10 years again. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think so, but only rare, only sometimes. Yeah, make it happen sometimes only, maybe again 10 years. I have a friend here, Egyptian, Masri. He's looking also my lunar eclipse video.
براحتك نص ساعة براحتك.
You see now? Little bit full. There, near totally full. Here, little bit. The video is different, but the actual, because this one I zoom.
Is this iPhone?
No,
Samsung?
only Galaxy.
Galaxy.
Your iPhone is good, I think. Try to take the video.
Video or pictures?
Picture or video. Try, but very far. There in the after.
لا شوف الفيديو كده ما نشوف انهي تليفون احسن. بس بص عندي في السامسونج جايب.
Because I put this in the YouTube also. Yeah, it's good. Come here. We are three. We put in the video.
No, this is very this
No.
camera is not good.
Three. We show here. Come. Here. In the front.
Take picture يعني?
Yeah. Yeah, come. Only this. Yeah.
But maybe
Yeah, only like this. Okay. Oh, stay there. I will check.
take time.
Ay, beer.
Hidden, huh?
Huh?
Hidden? Well, my head is blocking the moon.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes. Okay. Thank you.
No problem, man.
We will zoom again.
جرب فيديو عندك كده يا محمود. جالاكسي احسن من الايفون.
الله
لا والله.
والله لو بشيلك
جالاكسي ده جالاكسي سامسونج ده.
Yeah, you see,
Samsung is a Korean. Samsung
I think China.
China.
You see, maybe there's like
تعالى يا معلم بص
smoking.
هنا، بص السامسونج جايب ايه يعني، جايبه بص.
Seem like smoking. You see? Maybe here. You see?
No.
That's a very
Good to see,
far.
go to upside.
Yeah,
Go to the ring
bigger.
floor.
Yeah, maybe. How about you check your
It's trash.
huh? That's a
That's iPhone.
that's a maximum phone.
Yeah, that's the
maximum.
maximum. Yeah, that's the maximum.
That's 16.
With the video.
For the video, this one video.
والله بتوشل لك قدام.
What happened to iPhone?
سعره خيال.
iPhone only the maybe the iPhone good is only the quality, but the distance maybe not.
Yeah.
You see the Galaxy bigger.
Wow.
ده حتى ده الهونور جايب اساسا فاهم.
You see now big, oh?
اه ايه.
Yeah, big. That's a Galaxy.
نو نو اتس هونور.
Honor.
هونور.
That's a video or picture?
فيديو.
اعطيني بس نص ساعة ولا كده.
لا لا براحتك خالص مش مستعجلين.
No, it's a little bit totally. Maybe 10 years again this one, or how many years? With lunar is sometimes, but mostly of the one is solar. What do you call this in Egypt?
خسوف.
Khusuf?
اه.
Khus.
It's also written يعني it is written in Quran Kareem. Muslims. خسوف الزر.
Khusuf.
خسوف.
Khusuf.
There is kusuf and khusuf. This is khusuf.
Khusuf.
Ah. Khusuf. KH.
Khus-
Khu. Khu.
Khusuf. This is a Khusuf and
Yeah,
Arabic.
Khusuf different. Khusuf.
Lunar. Solar.
No. In Khusuf, the land, the earth, and moon, then sun. So the moon hidden the sunlight.
That's a solar.
This is say khusuf.
Khusuf.
But in this situation, khusuf.
Khusuf.
Khu. KH.
Khusuf.
Ah.
Khusuf. This is a Khusuf in Arabic. Khusuf. Khusuf. Kabudlay man dito phone sila. Khusuf. You can check here. My friend, you can check here. Is
زي بس خلاص كده قفلت كلها كده الشمس لفت كلها على القمر عملت ظل على القمر.
we are now continue witnessing the lunar eclipse in Arabic. Khusuf. You say like a blood.
Yes, yeah, like blood.
Yeah. Long time to finish, huh? This solar lunar eclipse is international because we are in the middle of the desert of Saudi Arabia. Little. Shit. It's look like smoking. The clouds maybe cover the, what you call that? It's like smoking.
Yeah, I'll see you.
Okay. See you. Nagkalbo na ko. Makakalbo gali ning lunar eclipse na eh. Grabe karon ng kan ba? Pinuminom. Pinuminon. Kahapon nag-sunstorm, perti ka kusupusog. And now lunar eclipse. Oh no. Climate change. That's a sign of climate change. Dito sa babaw, sa actual niya, napit na maubos. It's nearly fully cover the moon. No, finish. Dito, finish. Wala awa. Napit na. Guys, nantik na guys. Naglakad na upod ko guys. Sabi nila buang ko guys. Nag-istorya ako lang may isa guys. Na 8:30 nag-start ako kan 8:30 in the evening, September 7, 2025. Grabe na guys. Naka-mute guys, 18 na guys, 18 and 30 seconds. Tumingkon na nakaber na. Di ba siguro ni makaber kay kan gagawas po. Naubos na lapit na gito. Lapit lagi, nalapit na. Nagagawas na ng pan. Ginakpan naman ginawiyap siyang pan. Siyang hangin. mo, daw ko ng iyong ako, no? Nag-smoke siya. Kan, siguro sa kwan siya. Sa hangin. Nagasunog-sunog siya. Ang gamit ko guys, Samsung guys. Samsung Galaxy guys. Gamit ko na cellphone guys. Samsung Galaxy A55. Talong iPhone guys. Wala siyang ako video guys. May ganda ko iyang ako guys. Ang iyang video guys. Kulang iyang zoom. Pila lang kami metro iyang zoom guys. Aton miles guys. Hindi na akong bakal iPhone guys. Klain gali. Pila lang distansya ya. Hindi man natin pakwa ng atong ng Galaxy guys. Gabi abot to the moon. Ang cellphone kay Lunggo guys, Samsung lang guys. Ang iya ka masri guys na kanta na guys, iPhone guys. Perde guys. Naglakat na rin siya, iPhone niya, hindi kakuha kang zoom niya daw pila lang ka metro. Na 100 meters lang. Atong do, abot pa to sa kwan guys. Abot din sa moon guys. Di pa perde Lunggo guys ba. May pagani na gitudo guys, eh kung gitudo na, sus malusot pa na kaduguro sa moon. Gitudo guys, may ara pag ini guys. May kung may ara pag igali oh. Amo nang iyang pool guys, so klain na tanawon guys, so lampas garlampas sa moon guys. Pagamayon ta lang guys, hindi ta lang pagpataman ay base mambalis line hunggot kalot. Pagamayan ta lang guys ha. Daw nagkalain na yung nasubrahan no? Ano na ni guys, tandog-tandog pa mo. Ay sus, daw nagkalayo na guys. Ano na ni sus, naansana ni guys, naansana ni. Naanon ni guys, tinaw ko balo, ano mo ko guys. Naanon na naman. Ano ihulag-hulag pa mo. Kalon ni Lunggo ni. Alas.
Last.
No, not yet. Maybe after this the cover will go away. Go away, go away. Testingan tang maximum 10 times. Kalain siya. Ay, kakalain siya. Kakalain siya.